Yo, what's going on, my profits? Is late night edition of Profit Chasers. Just gonna do a little quick tutorial on this video, and I've been getting asked this in the DM and in the group, and it's a way I personally trade, and that is with stop losses. So I'm gonna do a little quick tutorial on how to set your stop losses, or if you're in the uptrend, how to take your profit taking, how to set your buy orders ahead of time, so that way you don't have to be constantly watching your coins. You can always set up some alerts on your blockfolio, but sometimes we're not around a computer to trade. So it's always good to set them up, especially overnight if it's a high volatility coin, to be ready to trade. If you guys have a chance, check out the website. We have a mastermind group in there, teach you a little bit more about currency and cryptocurrency. And we also have a bunch of great guys in there giving us good info all the time, and a lot of people just researching different coins. So it speeds up the process of narrowing out um, what to look at next. So this is the Bittrex account. I got into a Metal MTL a little bit ago, like 2 days ago. I saw that it was trending up again. We were at some high um, not that long ago. We were in a downslope, and we still are, but I think we're consolidating now. The MACD crossed over. The RSI is looking like it's starting to trend up. We're starting to get a little gap in between our MACD. Our bars hopefully start getting a little bigger, which means I feel like it's going to be on a bullish little run. How far up? I'm going to go ahead and set um, my profit taking um, right around the last support line, or the last consolidating period, which is 15.6, I guess. I mean, that's a little high. Yeah, I'm gonna just call it 15.6. So right around 15.6. So we get, let's go into the Bittrex account, and obviously you can do this on all the major exchanges, I believe. Just go ahead and uh, drop a comment, and I'll check out. I pretty much have an account with all the exchanges. I'll go ahead and look at it. This is one of the major exchanges. I use this, Binance, and Yobit mostly. Um, there's going to be a link down below if you want to get into your Binance. The reason that we use Binance is if you own Binance coin, your fees are half off. So it's all about saving money and making money, right? Uh, Capital preservation is number one rule of trading. So here we go. So usually when you come in here, it's going to look just like this. It's going to say limit order, and so, and just so you guys know too, real quick, if you don't have a trading chart or trading software or whatever, I use Coinigy. I pay for it, but this is great in here too. They have their own chart system. The only bad thing is you can't save it. But if you just want to do some quick research, go ahead and mess with the, you know, pretty much how RSI, and you can put moving averages in here, weighted moving averages, exponential moving averages. So it's pretty cool. So let me see. So let me back it up a little, and just in case you guys are curious of how to actually buy a coin, right? It's you just click on the last price order, and you enter the amount of coin that you want to purchase, or you could just say max, use up your full uh, Bitcoin. I have 0.25, which would yield me this amount. All right. If you want to buy in at a time when it meets a certain price, what you do is you set a condition, right? And so we said it's about 35. So you could set it for, if it dips below, we're gonna say 57, right? We'll even say 58. So just always be careful when you're typing in your numbers, guys. 1 0 can make a big difference. So we're gonna say if it goes to less or equal than um, 0.58, copy, please. So if it goes below 0.58, right, 0.00058, and we want to buy 35 coins of metal, so we automatically set this up, and we're just gonna go ahead and say, okay, well, perfect. Why is it not going in? When it's less than or greater than. There it goes. So it's gonna say, okay, good to cancel. You want to make sure, because obviously um, it's not gonna do it right away because you're asking for a lower price than what it is. So you push confirm. It's gonna say market order. Now I have a market order ready for the dip, if it dips down again, right, to strengthen your position. So now we're going to do the opposite now, because we already have 13 of these coins at our disposal right now. We're going to make a conditional, and we're going to take our profit, right, because that's what we want to do right now. So we want to take our profit at, let's make sure we get the number right. Okay, 2 zeros. So yeah, just like I said, guys, always make sure you get the right. So 156, let me see if that's right. Yeah, 156. That's what I said. We're going to do max coin. Just copy. So when it hits your thing, you're always going to get fair market value. So if it runs by your thing, say it's jumping up real quick and it doesn't, it's going to give you the next possible, which would be like 156.001 or whatever. It'll give you the next possible scenario to buy it, right, or to sell it off. So we're going to go ahead and place this order. So we can go into our orders now, and you'll see that we have a limit sell, which is our profit taking, and to buy into the coin at a lower price. So if it's on a downslope or it hasn't broken out yet, you're going to do the same thing with you're going to put a conditional, and you're going to sell if less. All right, guys, you're going to sell less than or equal to a price where your stop loss is. Okay, so just you're going to hear, oh, just make sure you put stop losses. Always have stop losses if you're not going to be actively watching the coin. So stop order is going to protect you against losses. A limit order is going to close a trade with profit. So limit order or stop loss, you're going to hear those terms being thrown around a lot when you're trading. Let's just check the market cap right now, just so we know we're at $218 billion. Holy shit. So we have a healthy market. Good luck trading, guys. Any comments? If I can help, look at chart some graphs or whatever, go ahead and drop a comment down below. Give me some ideas for videos. Feel free to message me on any of the social platforms that we have down below: Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, you name it, we got it. Happy trading, guys. Peace out.